What if I told you that in the last month, the three biggest AI companies in the world released their most powerful models ever, and none of them clearly won? That's the wild reality of March 2026. In this video, we're breaking down the biggest AI breakthroughs and moments from the past month, what actually happened, why it matters, and what it means for you. Let's get into it. Early March, OpenAI dropped GPT-5.4, and the benchmarks were genuinely hard to ignore. The model scored 75% on OS World V, a test that simulates real desktop tasks, putting it just above the human baseline. It also has native computer use baked in, meaning it can actually operate your computer, not just chat about it. But here's the real story. The benchmark gap between the frontier models has almost disappeared. GPT-5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro are scoring within a few percentage points of each other on most tests. Each model seems to own a lane. GPT 5.4 leads on professional knowledge work, Claude Opus 4.6 leads on coding precision, and Gemini 3.1 Pro leads on abstract reasoning, and it's the best value for high-volume tasks. The takeaway: we're entering an era where the smart move isn't picking one AI, it's routing different tasks to whichever model fits best. The word agent is everywhere right now, but March actually gave us concrete products to point to. ChatGPT launched in Excel in beta, letting you build and analyze spreadsheets using natural language right inside the tool. Google's Gemini got deeply integrated into Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive. You can now literally say, fill this spreadsheet with real-time web data, and it does it. And Visa announced a system designed to let AI agents make purchases autonomously, your AI handling subscriptions, bills, even shopping, without you lifting a finger. EY's 2026 CEO Outlook found that 97% of CEOs said their AI initiatives are meeting or exceeding expectations. And by the end of 2025, nearly half of all code on GitHub was written with AI tools. These aren't pilot programs anymore. This is how work is actually getting done. Mid-March, Silicon Valley hosted NVIDIA's GTC conference, basically the Super Bowl of AI infrastructure. NVIDIA unveiled its Nematron 3 Super, a new open model family built on a hybrid architecture designed to power the next generation of AI agents. Meanwhile, the infrastructure spending story got even bigger. Meta announced it may cut up to 15,000 jobs to fund its AI build-out, projecting between $115 and $135 billion in AI capital expenditure for 2026 alone. That's roughly double what it spent in 2025. And a key paper warned that the real bottleneck in AI isn't training anymore, it's inference. The hardware we're using wasn't designed for the way AI models actually run. That's going to be a major research and investment focus heading into the rest of 2026. So what's the big picture from March 2026? The frontier models are converging. AI agents are moving from demos to actual products, and the companies building this infrastructure are spending at a scale that's genuinely hard to wrap your head around. The arms race isn't slowing down, it's shifting. Less about who has the biggest model, more about who can deploy the most useful one cheapest, fastest. If you want to stay on top of this, subscribe. We're doing a monthly roundup every month, and April is already shaping up to be wild. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.